Yeah, let us see about this averages question. Here clearly they mention average weight of a class is 27.5. If two students of average weight 35.25 kgs leave the class and two new students join the class. Okay, two new students of average 33.5 join, then the average weight of the class become 27.4. Find the total number of students in the class. See, two students left and two students joined, okay, but their averages are different. Now the overall average is changed, 0.1 decreased. Initially 27.5, now it become 27.4. Let me check once regarding voice. Okay, I hope I am audible. Hope I am audible, right? Yeah, fine, perfect. We'll go ahead. No need to raise hand. Okay, we'll see if you have any doubts at the end. Don't raise hand initially. Fine. Now let's see about this. Okay, so average weight of n number of students is 27.5. We don't know how many students are there initially, is it? Now what happened? Okay, two students left and two students joined with less average. You can clearly observe two students joined with less average, right? Okay. Now the overall average become 27.4. You can see that. Now first look who left and who joined. Let's see the effect of them. Here 35.25, two students are there. So their sum of their weights is nothing but 35.25 into 2, which is nothing but 70.5. Okay. Now two students who joined, that new candidates X and Y, let us say, their summation is 33.5 multiplied by 2, we can say it is nothing but 67. Now see, this is averages, no need to use any formula. Average basically equal distribution. Guys, average is basically equal distribution. Give it to everybody equally. Equal distribution should be performed. Now 70.5 is the previous, now that is become 67. So how much decreased is 3.5 decreased, but average decreased by 0.1. Here it's decreased by, okay, somebody is writing something, so I'm just disabling that. Right, so average is decreased by 3.5. Okay, so average is decreased by 0.1, but summation should be 3.5. So everybody 0.1, 0.1 decreased. Okay, to compensate 3.5 means there must be 35 students. 3.5 average decrease by 0.1 means there is definitely 35 students. See, average is equal distribution. I'll repeat the explanation here. Listen. Okay. So you have initially, give me a second. Fine. Okay. Now see, once again focus. What is the actual question here? The average is initially 27.5 for n number of students. N students average is 27.5. Now number of students also n only, but average is become 27.4. Why the average is decreased? Average is decreased by 0.1. Here I agree. See, average 0.1 decrease means each person is decreased by 0.1. Each person is decreased by 0.1. Average will give equal distribution. So why this decrease is happened? There are two students whose summation is 70 is removed and 67.5 is added. These people removed and these people are added. Because of that, we can clearly understand 3.5 is decreased. Overall 3.5, but each candidate should be decreased by 0.1. Average is for each. Overall 3.5 decreased. Each average is related to each candidate effect. Each candidate decreased by 0.1. The number of students should be 35. Overall 3.5 decrease, each one decreased by 0.5 means then overall 35 required, then only it will satisfy. Right, so that's what the beauty in this question. No formulas I am using. It's very simple point. Right, average is equal distribution or maintain equality. You can see that average is basic video also. We don't want to entertain any formulas dear. So that's what my general perception is, that okay, you should just don't use any formulas, understand the basic. Now here, average of 20 men is 50. Now 5 new men is added. Okay, their average age is 40. So what is the average age of whole? This is weighted averages concept. Or fine, average is sum of a total divided by number of people are 25. Why average is sum of divided by number of also? The basic meaning is equal distribution. That also discussed in averages videos. If you want to learn something related to average, you can go through that videos in channel aptitude Hemanth. Okay, you can find all topics. Okay, videos are available related to quant and reasoning. If you are lacking any topic, if you are not good, you can just go through that from basics we discussed to top level. You can use it. Right. Now here we need total age. So first 20 people, 50 is the average, means total is 20 into 50. This 5 men average is 40, means 5 into 40. So we got 1200 divided by 25, which is 12 into 4, 48. Perfect. Option A is correct. 48 years is the average of all men. First two questions related to averages. Fine, let it be. Now see percentages related question. Asha and Nisha spent 60% and 70% of their respective monthly salary. Nisha kept 60% of the remaining as savings and gave the remaining rupees 2100 to her sister. What was the Asha's monthly expenditure if her monthly salary was 25% less than that of Nisha? First, let us go ahead with the Nisha salary. So Nisha spent, okay, what are the Nisha salary is the 70% of the Asha Nisha spent, yeah, 70% of the respective monthly salary. So 70% she spent. Still 30% are there. Now 60% of remaining is 30. This is already spent. So among remaining 30, 60% are savings. 60% means 18. For 30, 10% is the 16% means 18% are savings, and the remaining is 12%. The 12% is equal to 2100, that is given to sister. So what is Nisha's overall salary? So 100%, right? So Nisha total salary 100%. So 12% is this. Now we can say 4 times 3 1700, do into 25, then we will get 100%, which is 17,500. So Nisha's salary is 17,500. I believe people understand so far. Nisha spent 70% of monthly salary. Remaining is 30%. Among that 60% means 18% for savings. Remaining 2,000 is given to sister. So Nisha salary I came to know 17,500. Now what was the Asha's monthly expenditure if her monthly salary was 25% less than that of Nisha? So the question is regarding expenditure, right? Okay. Expenditure 60% she spent. Now Asha's salary is 75% of Nisha's salary. Asha's salary 75% of Nisha's salary. So Asha's salary is nothing but 175 into 75. Fine. Now what was the Asha monthly expenditure? She spent 60%, right? 60% of the amount she is spending. So what is that Asha expenditure? Asha expenditure will be 60% of Asha income, which is 3 by 5 times. 60% means 60 divided by 100, which is nothing but 35 times. So 105 into 75. It's 7,375 required. Is there any options are available? No, none of this. But let's see, is that the case? What was the Asha monthly salary if her monthly salary was 25% less than that of Nisha? Okay, Nisha salary we got 70. There is option for none of this also. It's also possible. don't worry about it. Okay, it is also possible case, right? Yeah. So up to this Nisha salary fine, then Asha salary. If her monthly salary was 25% less than, that's why 75% of that. So divide by 100 will give 75 into 175. Fine. Now Asha's monthly expenditure, clearly they said 60% is the monthly expenditure of Asha. So 60% of Asha income. So 3 by 5th of that. So we can clearly understand it's 35 and 105 into 75. Sorry, it's a mistake in calculation last line. 7,500 plus the 7875. 7875. Guys, are you agreeing with this? Options fine. None is also one of the options, right? None of this, fine, that's cool. Are you clear with the procedure? None is also one of the option. That's what the problem. Many people will not believe if none is the answer. Okay, then they'll double check like me twice or thrice, wasting time. So see this. Now let's see about this question time and work. Yeah, we'll immediately go for reasoning questions as well. More of the sections are reasoning. Now let's see about this question here. A can do a piece of work in 6 days. B is 25% more efficient than A. How long would B alone take to finish the work? Right? So B is 25% more efficient than A. If your efficiency is more, time taken should be less. A is 6 days. If A is 100, if 100 pages per day, B will be 125 pages per day. Efficiency more. Now what is the time taken? This is inversely proportional. 6 divided by question mark is 125 divided by 100. This is 25 5 times, 25 4 times. It should be 24 divided by 5, which is 4 by 5 days. So option A is correct. Okay, time and efficiency are inversely related. This is related to efficiency. This is related to timing. Right, so time and efficiency. See the next one. Yeah, directions related question. So guys, see this question. A is the west of B with 6 meters. B is north of C. So A is west of B. With respect to B, A is west side 6 meters. B is north of C 8 meters. B is south of B 16. D is south of B 16. So it will be here 8 meters. D is south of B means D is below B. Total 16. Here to here 8. Here to here 8. Then E is to the east of D with 6 meters. So E is to the east of D with 6 meters. Now question A to E, shortest path. See, A to E means always we have to go for the shortest. So here right angle triangle can be created. This is 8 plus 8, 16 meters. Here 6 plus 6, 12 meters. So root of 256, yeah, I think 20 will be there. So root of 16 square plus 12 square. 256 plus 144, you will get 400, which is equal to 20. Check it out once. Hope you got 20. Right? Directions related question. So if you answer when the question is displayed, then only I'll start the discussion. Okay, you have to solve the question. This question, 20 meters is the answer. See the next one. Yeah, you just focus on this question. Let me know what is the answer from your end. I'll wait for your answer, then we'll start the discussion. Solve this question. Have pen and paper, work on it. Circular table by default facing towards center, and in fact here they mention facing towards center as well. D is the answer one of your friend conveyed. So here we have 8 people. Okay. Now let's go for 3 people sitting between N and S means okay, N and S are in opposite. 8 people by default maintain equal distance. 3 people are sitting between N and S. It's possible only when N and S are in opposite. N here, S here. Now whether it is clockwise or anti-clockwise, there are 3 people exactly. Okay. N sits second to the left of M. For M, left side is N means M must be here. First left, second left, N here. Then only 3 people between R and O. Then R and O also opposite in fact. Okay, we'll go for that. P is 3 people between N and S. P is immediate neighbor of S. P is immediate neighbor of S. So it can be this place or it can be this place. O sits second to the left of P. Only 3 people between R and O. O sits second to the left of P. If P here, first left, second left, okay. If P here, first left, second left, 2 possibilities are there. Okay, fine. So N sits second to the left of M. That's the only thing. 3 people between N and S. That's fine. Now related to N, M and S. P is immediate neighbor of S. O is second to the left of P. R and N are not immediate neighbors. Okay. R and N are not immediate neighbors. That might be one of the case. So O second to the left of P, then that's fine. So that is giving a clue. Okay, P cannot be here, P must be here. If P is here, O will come here. O opposite R will be a neighbor for N. They said R and N are not neighbors. R and N are not neighbors. So O is second to the left of P. O opposite is R. Fine. Only 3 people between O and R. That's what, nothing but R and O are opposite. Now question, who is sitting third to the right of R? R first right, second right, third right, option C. Still 2 slots are available. We need to fill. Okay, the 2 candidates are Q, T, Q and T. Is there any clue related to Q and T? No. Still there are 2 empty places, but we are done with this question. Who among this is sitting third to the right of R? Yeah, here it can be QRT or it can be TRQ. But fine, this question is completed. Third right of R is N. Third left of R is M. Left and right, lot of people will confuse here facing towards center. Generally, when you are facing towards the center, left means this is only for facing center. If you face towards center, then left means clockwise you have to move, right means you have to move anti-clockwise. If you are facing outside, this will be reverse. This is the alert. Okay, when you are facing towards center, then you can consider this. Left is clockwise, right is anti-clockwise. Now see the next question related to reasoning. What is the third letter to the left of the eighth letter to the left of the fifth letter to the left of M? Third letter to the left of, eighth letter to the right of, fifth letter to the left of M. Right? See, it's like 3 left, 8 right, 5 left. 3 left and 5 left means 8 left. 8 left and right will be cancelled. It will be the same. It will be the same alphabet. It won't change. Okay, or else practically if you observe, M for M letter, fifth left, fifth left. M is 13, right? Minus 5 means we'll get 8. H is the fifth left. Is it? So M, first left is this. Okay, second left, third left, fourth left, fifth left. Then for that eighth right, for H eighth right we have to go. Now for H we have to go for eighth right. If you go for eighth right side, we'll get P letter actually if you just work on it. Then third left for P. For P, third left. For P, we have to go for third left. When you go for third left for P, we'll get it nothing but M only. Right? That's what. Okay, same thing will come. M letter only is the answer. No need to raise the hand. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, okay, no need to raise hand. We'll allow you people at the end. Let's see about next question, eighth one. See this? Yeah, we are anyhow sharing the document in your group. See this question. This is related to cubes and dice. Here we need to check it out. Okay, opposite for I. See, this is a folded dice concept. If you want to find opposite, there are different methods. One easy method is in two views. This is X, Y, Z. What is this X, Y, Z is? First you taken a dice thrown first time. These are the numbers visible. When you thrown it first time, these are the numbers visible. Next, throw it second time. These are the numbers visible. Throw it third time. These are the numbers visible. X, Y, Z are the numbers which are visible throwing first time of the dice, second time and third time likewise. Okay. Now, yeah, option B is correct. Perfect. Now, what you can do, there is a method, very simple method is, in two different views, one common side is available. In two different views, one common side is available. From there, write the terms in clockwise. Write it clockwise. 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 5. Then 2 and 3 are opposite, 4 and 5 are opposite. 2 and 3 opposite, 4 and 5 opposite. Obviously, remaining two numbers 1 and 6 must be opposite. One opposite is 6. Guys, I repeat, we need to take one common side in two different views. Okay, two views, one common side only available, then this method is applicable. One common side. Sir, I'll apply for Y and Z diagram, I agree. Guys, if you go for Y and Z, no? Or you can, yeah, you can go for Y and Z. Here you can observe 6 is, 5 is common. Okay, one from Y and Z. So 5, 1, 3, 5, 6, 2, right clockwise. Right clockwise. See, 1 and 6 are opposite, 3 and 2 are opposite. Obviously, remaining two numbers 4 and 5 must be opposite. Are you getting my point? So this is very simple approach. Okay, one common side in two different views. Three methods to solve. This is one of the method. Now let's see about this ninth question. Paper folding, paper cutting. Paper folding and cutting. I'm just zooming to make sure you are understand visible the diagram. Diagram is visible for you. Now see, you folded here. So when you folded here, that will come in this way. This one also folded. It will occupy here. Then you fold it diagonally. This will come to this place. Here A will come to this place. Right. Now you cut. Now what you have to do, you have to unfold. Cutting is happened. Now your job is okay, fold, cut and unfold. Now what is the result after unfold? Here they are asking the question. After unfolding, what is the answer? Here diagrams might be bits okay, small size. Okay, but now let's focus on how this is happening. Now when you unfold this cutting, this corner came to here, right? Okay, this will come to here, this will come to here. This cutting will affect here. This cutting will affect here. So here we required, right? So fine. Then when you unfold above, here, here and here. So it's available A option no, C option wrong, D is correct. D is the correct one. Perfect. D is correct. Now let us see next one. Now this is Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Bangladesh, all. 7 employees are there. 7 country. Okay, they are going for not 7 countries, only 3 countries. 7 employees. They are planning for 3 countries to visit. Okay. Now each of them traveled on a different day of the week. In such a condition, no 2 employees can travel on the same day. So 7 employees, 7 days. 7 employees, 7 days. Okay, and 3 countries only available. So 2 countries minimum. Okay, 2 countries. Okay, 2 employees travel to each country. Minimum 2 employees to each country. 7 employees, right? So Sri Lanka 2 minimum, Bangladesh 2 minimum, Pakistan 2 minimum. Third may be some others. So this is only conditions. This first paragraph is actually dummy. There is no such matter. Only basic conditions are available. Now this is the entire stuff. Okay, A travel to Sri Lanka. Monday gone. I want Monday. Okay, days better, right? So I'll mention all Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. A going to Sri Lanka, that too on Monday. So fine, good. Okay, that's one straightforward data available. Next, E traveled on Wednesday. E is on Wednesday. C travels Sri Lanka, but when we don't know. This is fine. F travel to Bangladesh. F is Bangladesh. F is for Bangladesh. Fine. So first at least let me assign the countries. A Sri Lanka. Okay. B we have to check. C will see. C D. Yeah, C travel to Sri Lanka only. B E F. At least I'll map the countries. Yeah, G traveled on Sunday but not to Pakistan. The employee who traveled on Bangladesh traveled on Tuesday. So Tuesday Bangladesh. Travel to Pakistan Saturday. So Pakistan Saturday, Tuesday Bangladesh. Okay. Now what else? F is not on Tuesday, nor on Saturday. F is Bangladesh only. F is on Bangladesh, but F is not on Tuesday, not on Saturday. So F is Bangladesh, not on Tuesday. Fine. So this is somebody else, not F. C traveled to Sri Lanka, but not on Thursday. The employee who traveled to Bangladesh traveled on Tuesday. G traveled on Sunday but not to Pakistan. I think that is also assigned. No, G traveled on Pakistan but not on Sunday. But on Sunday, sorry. Traveled on Sunday but not to Pakistan. So G is Sunday, not for Pakistan. Right, so there are a lot of things available. The fully empty slots is Thursday and Friday. Thursday and Friday both are available. Name free, okay, name is not there. Country also not there, which country they are moving. A Sri Lanka, that's fine. F Bangladesh. F Bangladesh is not on F is on Bangladesh, but not for Tuesday, not Saturday. Tuesday no, Saturday no. F can be Thursday or Friday. B did not travel to Bangladesh, so Pakistan. Now, guys, so what can be done? So, see this one by one, we need to map. E traveled on Wednesday. I believe, I think we already assigned E traveled on Wednesday. The employee who traveled to Pakistan. So, we have a condition. So, two members, minimum two. Yeah, two for Sri Lanka. A and other candidate for Sri Lanka is C. A and C are for Sri Lanka, right? Two persons minimum. Bangladesh, we can see F and there is one more person minimum. So two people minimum for the country, right? So now let's see what can be done here. Question: who among the 7 employees traveled on Saturday? So Saturday, who traveled? Is it B? No, B did not travel to Pakistan. Out. Is it C or D? What is C or D? C is traveling to Sri Lanka, but Saturday is assigned for Pakistan. Gone. Now it should be D or cannot be determined or none of this. Related to D, there is no data given in the question. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So guys, can we fill these slots? Good question related to puzzles. Logical reasoning, or we can say critical reasoning. Fine, so let's go ahead with the data once again. So A travel on Sri Lanka Monday, fine. F travel to Bangladesh, but not on Tuesday, not on Saturday. So Tuesday, Saturday already slots are gone. So it's not possible for Tuesday or Saturday. G traveled on Sunday, but not to Pakistan. So G is on Sunday, but not for Pakistan. Fine. Okay. The employee who traveled to Bangladesh traveled on Tuesday, and the employee who traveled to Pakistan traveled on Saturday. That's clear. E traveled on Wednesday. Okay. C traveled to Sri Lanka, but not on Thursday. So guys, you observe C traveled to Sri Lanka but not on Thursday means C must be on Friday only. Why you decide C on Friday, sir? Guys, listen. C must be Sri Lanka on Friday. Only reason because the two slots available on Thursday and Friday. Okay, because person name and country that available on Thursday and Friday. Okay, C is on Sri Lanka but not on Thursday. So Thursday not there means C must be on Friday. Right. And there is two slots available. One is for F and Bangladesh. F and Bangladesh. Okay. Here possibility one is Tuesday. They said F Bangladesh not on Tuesday. F is Bangladesh not on Tuesday. So F Bangladesh not on Tuesday. Then F Bangladesh must be on Thursday. So two Bangladesh, two Sri Lanka, okay, one Pakistan fixed. And they clearly mentioned G is not for Pakistan means E must be for Pakistan. Guys, E must be for Pakistan. because two Pakistans required minimum. G is not for Pakistan, so clearly two Pakistans required means E must be for Pakistan. Then, okay, we have two people left over to assign B and D. I think related to B, they given one data. B did not travel to Pakistan, so B is for Bangladesh. D is for Pakistan. We are able to find who is on Saturday is D. D is on Saturday, Pakistan. So now only thing Sunday, two Sri Lankas, two Pakistan, two Bangladesh available. So one extra Sunday, it can be Sri Lanka or Bangladesh. For that we need to see it's related to G. G traveled on Sunday, but not on Pakistan. Okay. Anywhere else there is a clue related to G or related to Sri Lanka, Pakistan? No. So yeah, this can be Bangladesh or Sri Lanka. That fine. So, but this is obtained. Saturday, which person is D? You see, one by one, if you map, you got the answer. D is Pakistan, Saturday. Don't say cannot be determined. We can do that. Now, let's see about the easy question now. Folded, unfolded. Okay, paper cutting related. Now, if you observe, you just do that cutting, paper cutting here. Here, yeah. When you unfold, see, this is cutting to this part. This is this part. So, what will happen? This circle, okay, here one more, but above will not disturb, only one. Above and below one only. Left to 2, right to 2. I think D is okay here. It may be not in a correct position, but D is what you can sense. It should be slightly left or okay, slightly right likewise. I agree. But I think you can sense, okay, this is what I mean to convey. 2 to the left, 2 to the right, above and below 1. Option A, no. No for option A. Yeah, screen size is decreased. Fine. So option D is perfectly suitable here. Okay, not A, D, D. Now let's see about next one. Mathematical operations, which is important for Infosys as well. So they change some symbols here. We just need to work on those symbols. You interchange that, then apply bodmas rule. One by one you apply, you can complete the task easily. So as per the question, multiplication must be changed as subtraction, addition as division, division as addition, plus as division, minus as multiplication. Now here minus 3 plus 3 will get cancelled. Okay, no, 36 minus 3 plus 9. We got 42. 42. Perfect. 42 is the correct answer. Right? So let's see about next one. You see this blood relation question. Blood relation one, you just focus on this. His mother is the wife of my father's son. Brother and sisters I have none. His mother, okay, Harsh said that his mother means man, a portrait of man. So man, mother, okay, the person who is on the photograph. So man, mother is the wife of my father's son. So here my means Harish. Harish, okay, brothers and sisters, none for Harish. Harish, okay, father, son means Harish only. So Harish and man, mother are okay, a wife and husband. So now, at whose portrait was Harsh looking? His son's portrait. He is looking to his son. He is looking to his son photograph. Okay, his means man here. Okay, so let's see about the next one. Hope you understand this. Now let's see about again averages related question. The average of the members of a family is 35. After 5 years, a member of age 55 years dies. Then now the new average of family become 37. So what is the total number of families 5 years ago, 5 years before? So the average age of a family, n members average is 35. Okay, now after 5 years, the average will be 40 actually. So present average is 35. After 5 years, the average will be generally 40, but it become 37. Why? Because of okay 55 decrease, 1% decrease, 1% remove. 40 become 37 because of 1% left. The average decreased by 3 because of 1% whose age is 55. Right, so here we don't know how many number of people, n into 40. If you want, you can go normal also. So here average 37. What is that? 37 is from total 40, average of n people, 55 decrease, then this is 37 into n minus 1. So guys, see this, what is this? N members here n members, here n minus 1. N minus 1 into 37 is out of total 40 average of n members, one person whose age 55 is went, then it becomes 37. So now checking, solving this equation, 40 and 37 and 3n, this minus 55 will go to that side. 55 plus 37 will be 18. N will be equal to 6. So there are 6 members initially. Okay, initially 6 members, then it become 5. 6 members are there, now it becomes 5. Average decreased by 1. You can see that. Average decreased by 3, number of people are decreased by 1. Previously n people, now it become n minus 1 people. Now see the next question related to quant. I hope you understand that equation, right? How this equation form. Average is 35. After 5 years, 55 years candidate is died. So that's why average after 5 years is 40. Present average 35. After 2 years, average will be 37. 3 years means 38. Each member age is increased by 5. Average increased by 5. Now, what is the least number to be added for 1700 to make it a square? Perfect square, in fact. Okay, it's a square. Perfect square is required. So for 1700, what should be added so that it's become a perfect square? So guys, you need to go to that square near to 1700. I hope everyone knows that 40 square is 1600. 41 square is 1681. Sir, I don't know 42 square. Okay, it's actually 1764, ending with 4 required. So 64,764. Sir, I don't know that. Okay, 42 square, 41 square in exam calculator not allowed. What can be done? Listen, you know 40 square, right? If you know 40 square, okay, in Vedic maths we can see the shortcut. 40 square is this means. Then 41 square is nothing but 40 square plus 40 plus 41. This is 41 square. So I want 42 square means 41 square plus 41 plus 42. Means I have to add 83 to this, which is 1764. Right? So 1700. So they may ask you what must be subtracted to make it as a perfect square. Means subtract 19, then it becomes 1681. They ask question like what numbers must be multiplied to make it as a perfect square. Subtract. See, now same question what I want to ask. Okay, what is the least number? Added is 64. Now what is the least number to be subtracted? To be subtracted to make it as a perfect square means then answer must be 19. So 1681 is perfect square, which is 41 square. So then answer will be 19. Right. Or there is other question multiply. To be multiplied. To be multiplied or divided also they'll ask. Multiplied to make it as a okay perfect square means then you have to write given number as prime number power 1700. In fact 100 is already perfect square, 17 is not perfect square, you want one more 17. It's a prime number, right? I want one more 17, so the least number to be multiplied to make it is perfect square is 17. This is already perfect square. This we want to make it as a perfect square, it's a prime number. In fact this is 2 square into 5 square into 17 power 1. All powers must be even, then it is a perfect square. Even perfect square, even perfect square. Here I want even means I have to multiply by 17. Right. Now let's see about the next question. In a college, 12% of total candidates are interested in sports. 3 by 4th of total students are interested in okay dance. 10% of total students are interested in singing and remaining 15 are not interested in any activity. How many students are there in the college? 12% of total. So total 100%. 12% is sports. 3 by 4th of the total students means 75%. Dance. 10% of the students singing means 75, 85, 97%. Still 3% are there. They are not in any activity. So 3% is equal to 15. They said this is what? 15 are not interested in any activity. 3% is 15. Then total 100% is 500. Okay, they didn't mention, okay, there is a bug in the question actually. They had to say they're not in other activities. As cannot be determined is that there is something which is comes to your mind. There is some bug in the question. They need to be very much precise actually. What is the bug or what is the small mistake in the question is? So they had to mention only sports, only dance like that. Because there may be a student, let us say among the 75% dance, some people may go for sports also, right? Some people may be in both. There are some students who may be in all the three. Who may be in all the three. I think that's what the worry. Okay, high chances for cannot be determined. They didn't mention only sports, right? No, as per percentages one, fine. 12%. Among the remaining also not mentioned. 75% of total is dance. 10% of total will be singing. Fine. So, but here problem. Okay, they didn't mention how many are sports and dance related, or at least they need to mention. Okay, students have participated only in one activity. They are not allowed in multiple activities. Then I can say 500 is the answer. Remaining 3% is this. But there is a chance this is 12%. All sports people can also participate in dance. All singing people can also participate in dance. Right? So there are students who are multi-talented. All three, dancing, singing, sports, all three activities can be done. Yeah, one side of the coin answer is 5, but other side of the coin as cannot be determined is mentioned, okay, I can go with cannot be determined instead of 500 because, sir, as per this point of view, it's answer to 500, sir. Yes, but they didn't mention only singing. I can go with the answer 500 if they mention total 3 by 4th of the total students are interested in only dance. Or 3 by 4th of the remaining people, not these people, remaining people only in the dance, remaining people only in singing. They didn't mention that. That gives the problem. It cannot be determined as well. Guys are understanding my issue. Mathematically, okay, calculations point of view 500, but there is a glitch. Or understand that issue. Shall I go with cannot be determined or 500? Which one? Okay, no responses means no one is active. Cool. Now see about 17th one cannot be determined. Okay, good. That's what there is a problem in the question. Now here 30% of A added to 40% of B. The result is 80% of means clearly 30% of A is equal to 40% of B. Here 40 plus 40 equal to 80, subtracting 40. Now what percentage of A is B? B out of A is how much percentage? Now here B by A is nothing but 3 by 4, which is 75% vehicle. Option B is correct, 75 percentage. Right, let's see about the next question. Two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 8 hours and 6 hours respectively. And this is an excellent question. Alternate hours. Alternate hours. How many hours the tank will be filled? When A and B are working alternatively, answer must be between A and B. Okay, between 8 and 7. So this is not 8, 6 is wrong, 10 is wrong. Answer will be 7 or none. You can just keep in mind this point whenever alternate hours they are asking. Okay, value should be more than minimum and less than maximum. More than 6 and less than 8 is required. 7 is there, sir. Maybe that is 7 point something also possible. We have to check that. It's not average. We have to see. How to cross check, sir? A can fill the tank in 8 hours. B filling the tank in 6 hours. I can say tank capacity, let us assume 24 liters. A filling 3 liter per hour. B filling 4 liter per hour. It can be none also. That's what I want to alert you. Now first hour, A, what A can do, it can fill 3 liters in 1 hour. First hour A is available. A can fill 3 liters per hour, so 3 liters is added. Second hour B. Alternate hours means again there is an issue. First who is starting? B and A, B and A, B and A, or A and B, A and B. They given the clarity A is open first. So there is a clear instruction. So second hour B. Second hour B, 4 liters. So 2 hours completed, 7 liters are completed. Next to 2 hours also 7 liters, next to 2 hours 7 liters, like that. Every 2 hours 7 will come, because third hour A, fourth hour B, like that. You can do multiply by 3. 6 hours 21 liters are filled. 6 hours 21 liters. Now 7th hour A will come, as A will fill 3 liters. Total tank capacity 24 liters are completed. So 7 hours is the answer. Time taken to fill the tank is 7 hours. Yeah, your tank capacity 24. Exactly in 7 hours. So as none is not there, I can directly say 7 is the answer. If none is, as none is there, that's what the worry. Otherwise, if none is not there, no, directly I can say 7. One simple condition, It should be more than minimum value and less than maximum value they given when it is regarding alternate hours and both are doing same work. Filling. One filling, one empty, then it's a different case. Both filling, both are emptying, then the answer should be between these two if the question is alternate hours. Now see this 19th question. You have to find the greater of the two numbers whose product is 900. A into B is 900. Sum exceeds the difference by 30. Sum is 30 more than the difference means A value is 15. B value will be 60 automatically. No, B is 15, A is okay, fine. What are, yeah, it's vice versa. B is 15, A is 60. Now question is greater among this. B is 15, A is 60. You see this expression will give 2B equal to 30. B is 15. When B is 15, A must be 60. Then only product of the two numbers will become 900. Now see the 20th question, ages related one. 1 hour 20 questions, 2 hours 40 questions. Ages related question, have a look into this. Ages related, linked with ratios concept as well. Aina is older than Kumkum by 16 years. 6 years ago, the ratio is this. See, whenever, whether it is now or before, the difference is 16 only. Here, difference is 8. 16 years is the gap. 1 represent 2 means this is 36 and 20. 6 years ago, their ages are 36 and 20. The difference will not change. Present or past or future, difference between two people age is same. Present 16 years, 6 years ago also the difference is 16. After that also difference is 16. This is Aina and Kumkum age 6 years ago. Now fine. Now what will be the Disha age? 8 years since Disha age is half of Kumkum's age present. So present age of these two candidates are 42 and 26. Now Disha is half of Kumkum, 13. 8 years hence means plus 18. Plus 8, sorry. 13 plus 8, 21 required. Disha present age is half of Kumkum's age. Then it will be 13. So see that 6 years ago the ratio is 18 and 10. The difference is 8. Okay, originally 16 means 1 represent 2 here. So 18 means 36, 10 means 20. Double is what we can expect. So 6 years ago 36 means now 42. 6 years ago 20 means now 26. Now that's what regarding Kumkum and Aina. Disha is half of Kumkum. Now 8 years hence means it should be 21. None is the answer. No, none is available. Answer is 21. Hope it's clear. See the next question. 21. Again ages related question. 2 years ago Prakash was 4 times as old as his sister, not system. It's Select sister. Typing error. Sister Sunidhi. Okay. 5 years hence, Prakash will exceed his sister age by 9 years. See, as mentioned, whenever there is a exceed, means Prakash and sister difference is 9. 2 years ago, also same difference. 2 years ago, Prakash and Sunida is 4 is to 1. The difference is 3, means it's actually 9 years. So 1 means 3 years. So 2 years ago, their age is 12 and 3. This is not present age. This is 2 years ago. Now present age will be 14 and 5. Sunidhi and Prakash means 5 and 14. Series, I am not doing any equation. We're just analyzing, pretty much similar to previous question. Differences present or future or past will be same between two people ages. Now see the 22. Out of three numbers, the first number is twice the second number is thrice the third number. Average of all the three numbers is 20. What is the difference between largest and smallest number? First number is twice the second number is thrice the third number. If third number is x, second number will be 3x. First number is twice this, which is 6x. So now average is nothing but, okay, 10x divided by 3, which is equal to 20. X is nothing but equal to 6. The difference between larger and smaller is 5x should be your answer. Largest and smallest is 5x, right? See, third number I'm taking as a second number is thrice the third number 3x. First number is twice the second number 6x. This is average. Average means sum of terms divided by number of terms. 10x divided by 3, they given it as a 20. So we can clearly understand x is nothing but 6 there. The question is regarding difference between the largest number 6x, smallest number x means 5x is what we need to calculate. Answer must be 30. 5x must be equal to 30, not available in options. Guys, see anything wrong, you let me know. Is that clear? Now let's see about 23. Focus on 23 now. Everyone please see this. A student was asked to divide a number by 6 and add 12 to the quotient. He, however, did it in a reverse way, right? So what this candidate did, first added 12, then divided by 6. The result is 112. Means number is 672 minus 12, 660. So what is the correct answer they're asking? Correct answer means first we have to divide by 6, then add 12, which is 110 plus 12, 122 should be. Correct answer is 122. Good. This is the mistake. Correct answer. This is the wrong procedure. Okay, what they did. However, first he added. They're asking correct answer. Means first that number should be divided by 6, then add 12. Now see the next question. That's all this. So this, so change that. Okay, addition, multiplication, subtraction. This is division here it says. Now this is 16 plus 20 minus 9, which is 27. Right, so mathematical operations related version, good. Now let's focus on next one. What, okay, to complete the diagram, what should be here? You can zoom it, you can understand that, okay, it's like we need something like this, and we need a square box, and we need a line which will touch here, and we need a circle here, quarter part of circle, so that's perfectly suitable in third option. Only third one is suitable. Good. Now see the next one. This is again what is required to complete this entire pattern. This diagram you can zoom and check once. Okay. Here to complete this diagram, what is required here? We need a line, and above we need a circle. Right? So line above circle required. It's below. Yeah, I think this is the one which is suitable. It should not cross like this. It should not cross. Here it is crossing that line, so it's no. Fine. So B is suitable. That's what we need, a line and circle above it. Now paper folding and cutting. So which is the possible answers among options? Look into the options carefully and let me know. Yes, among options which is suitable. When you fold up, okay, this is below fine. So we'll get something in this fashion, and here this one, this will be like this. The above. But when you open, okay, you can find it's like this. So, oh, fine, okay. We need those things, okay, fine. It's all, this is bit wider, middle one fine, but this is not the case. This is not the case. A circle is not removed, only cutting in the middle. Circle is available, we can go for B. Among B and D, B is suitable because that paper is, this all parts are not cut. This is available. That's not available here. That circle is available. Only you cut in between. The circle sheet you cut in between. In the middle or some other portions, not the entire circle outside. Now see, among these five people, who is the tallest? Is it cannot be determined or can be determined? Among five boys, Vasanti is taller than Manohar, but not as tall as Raju. Jayanti is taller than Duta. Jayanti is taller than Duta, but shorter than Manohar. Vasanti is taller than Manohar, but not as tall as Raju, means Raju is the tallest. So tallest among all is Raju. Is it? Yeah, option A. Now see, percentage related question. A is 20% more than B and 20% less than that of C. By what percentage is B less than that of C? A is 20% more than B. And means this is related to A only. A is 20% less than C. Now question B and C we have to calculate. When we divide these two are both are equal, 2 times and 3 times, B is 2 by 3 times of C, which is 66.67 percentage of C. So how much less than means 100, how much less is 33.3 is less. How much less than? B 66% of C means 33% less. How B is less than C clearly, how much less than is 33.33 or 33 1 by 3. 100 means both are equal. B is less than 100 of C. So how much less is what? Less than. Now this 30th question, in each vowel in the word, change it to the next alphabet. See, there is some changes they are giving. Vowel should be changed as next alphabet, whereas consonant should be changed as previous alphabet. Previous consonant, sorry. Consonant should be previous consonant. Each consonant is changed to previous letter. Okay, that's it. Not previous consonant also. Now, which are the following will be fourth from the left? Fine. So the fourth letter from left is I. They didn't mention we have to put in alphabetical order. After that arrangement, shuffling is not there. So I is there. I is a vowel. Vowel should be next letter J. So option D is correct. Fourth letter from left side is nothing but I. I should be changed to next letter J. Vowel should be next letter. Consonants is previous letter in alphabetical order. Some questions they'll ask you, okay, after these changes, you need to put that in alphabetical order. Then what is fourth from the left side? After doing this change, vowels to next letter, consonants to previous letter, then put the given word letters in that word in alphabetical order. Then what is fourth from the left side like that? But this question is not in that style. Now this question, read the question carefully. how many pairs of letters are there in the word in such a way that as many letters between them in the word, both forward and reverse direction. Listen, here I and J. How many letters are there between I and J? One letter. In alphabetical order, forward and reverse direction, anything is okay. In forward or reverse direction between I and J, only one letter is there. Well, it is forward or reverse, okay. They said both. So I and G is one such pair. Where forward and reverse, there is one letter available. How many letters between them? As many letters as between them in the alphabetical order. Forward and reverse direction both. Here S and T. We know ST in this word and normally also ST zero gap. So these are the two pairs of letters I, G, S and T having as many letters between them as in alphabetical order. In alphabetical order between S and T zero. Between I and G one letter or G and I one letter required. That's what you can observe. Two such pairs are available. Okay, you have to try between D and I. Yeah, that also fine. 4 here, D is 4, I is 9. So in between there are 3 letters, not possible. Between 4 and 9 there are 4 letters actually, that's not possible here. 3. Okay, what is the third one? Between T and U, no. Okay, with respect to D, we'll work on D and U far away, S far away, T far away, I also no. G also nearer required, but here it is far. D and N not possible, out. U, D, U, S, G and okay, no. T and U should be neighbor, but here one gap is there, waste. N, G and all, it's far away, out, waste. And then next with S. S with D, S with U, S with T, fine, S with T only fine, S with I and G, no, waste. Then T with, don't say again T and S. Already S and T is taken, don't say again T and S. That's one pair, don't climb that. 5 and 3, what is that 3? It seems only 2 such pairs are available, not 3. 2 only. Okay. Now let's see about again puzzles related questions. Reasoning stuff. 7 members. Now it's not about Bangladesh and all, so it's a different thing. Right, 7 members, 7 different cities, 7 different languages. Right, you can note down those 7 members name H I J K L M N. It's a continuous from H to N. Fine. They are working in different cities, 7 different cities: Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, and 7 different mother tongue languages. Now your job is to assign which person is from which state, which city, which person from which city, which language they are speaking. Now among options we have to select the correct pair which is satisfying this. So this will take good amount of time. See, J works in, but don't worry sir, this type of question given in exam, it will take 3 minutes minimum, I agree, but they'll ask more questions related to this paragraph. So J works in Bangalore. So J Bangalore. Okay, next I'm writing only the direct information. K mother tongue is Punjabi. K mother tongue is Punjabi. L and M do not work in Chennai. None of them has Marathi mother tongue. Okay. I works in Hyderabad and mother tongue is Telugu. I is Hyderabad, mother tongue Telugu. Don't say J in Bangalore, Canada. No, see, some other state of people also coming in, okay, living in Bangalore, right? So any capital cities now, so that's problem. So the one who works in Delhi had Bangla mother tongue. So the one who is working in Delhi is having Bangla mother tongue. N works in Mumbai. Hindi is the N is Mumbai. Hindi. Now 5 people, one or other information is given. Next, there is some data. Dash does not work in Kolkata. Something is missing here. Okay, L&M did not work in Chennai. So there are two cities left over, Chennai and Ahmedabad. Chennai, Ahmedabad. Now L&M don't want Chennai means they may go for Ahmedabad or Delhi. LM go for Ahmedabad, Delhi. Then who is the leftover candidates? H is there. H will go for Chennai, guys. See, H will be Chennai. How, sir? Without direct information, they said L and there are people, 3 people left over. L, M, okay, H. They said LM not going for Chennai means H will go for Chennai. LM will take Ahmedabad or Delhi. Next, they said Marathi related, okay, Kolkata, right? So obviously K go with Kolkata. K go with Kolkata. Yeah, only one person left over with the city is K. Now 7 cities, person still there is a bug, and yeah, related to languages left over is languages left over. J works in Bangalore. J not go for Tamil or Marathi. Tamil, Marathi. Now 3 languages are available. Tamil, Marathi. Okay, so Canada. Now J go for Canada only. Canada, sorry, not Canada. Canada. J for Kannada because the thing left over is clearly Tamil and Marathi. Fine. And L&M do not work in Chennai and none of them has Marathi mother tongue. Yeah, L&M don't have Marathi mother tongue. So H is having Marathi and Tamil is in Ahmedabad. Now still there is a bug regarding M and L location. L&M, okay. That's related to which cities? Ahmedabad and Delhi, right? So any other data? The one who works in Delhi, okay. Here some line is also missing. Something does not work in Kolkata. Now which combination is correct? Marathi, I, Chennai. No, Chennai, no. Tamil, M, Kolkata. So M person is Kolkata and Tamil. No, K is Kolkata and Punjabi. Marathi, Hyderabad. So Hyderabad person is Telugu. Hyderabad, Telugu required. No, all gone here. I think here one data missing. I have to check that. Maybe that will trigger any other inputs. We have to see. I'm just checking what that last line that may give some clarity regarding our arrangement at the end. Yeah, L does not work in Kolkata. This is actually L. L does not work in Kolkata. Fine, L is not in Kolkata only. Now let's check once. J works in Bangalore and his mother is not Tamil or Marathi. Yeah, Tamil and Marathi no. K's mother tongue is Punjabi and he works in Ahmedabad. Okay, see, this is what the problem. I missed that. Okay, this line is missed. This line is missed. K's mother tongue is Punjabi and Ahmedabad. Then this will be Kolkata. Yeah, then this will be Kolkata. L is not Kolkata means this will be M. Yeah. Now that's what L is not Kolkata. This will be definitely Kolkata. M will be Kolkata. This is Ahmedabad. K, Ahmedabad. K is Ahmedabad and Punjabi. That line I missed. K, Punjabi and Ahmedabad. Perfect. L and M do not work in Chennai. Yeah, L and M not working in Chennai. None of them have Marathi. Yeah, none of them have Marathi. I in Hyderabad, Telugu. Perfect. Delhi, Bangla. Okay, perfect. N works in Mumbai, Hindi. Perfect. L does not work in Kolkata. Perfect. Now all say. Now we have to see Marathi, Chennai. Marathi, Chennai. H not LRI. This may be LRI. The typing issue related. Tamil M Kolkata. Tamil M Kolkata. That's correct. Tamil M and Kolkata is correct. Hyderabad is Telugu only. So C is the correct. Oh, no, Punjabi K Delhi. Okay, Punjabi person is Kolkata, right? Not Delhi. Fine, so only that one. They'll ask many other questions related to the same data. I given one here. Now let's see about this directions related question. A and B starts working from the same point. A goes north 3 kilometer, turns right and go 4 kilometer. A is here. B goes west 5 kilometers, turns right and cover 3. Now B is here. What is the distance between A to B is nothing but 9 kilometers. Directions related question. 9 kilometers is the distance between A and B. Here 5, here 4, 9. Sum of the numbers is given, difference of the numbers is given. You want smaller number. Smaller number means difference divided by 2. One is A plus B, one is A minus B. The smaller number you want means this differences divided by 2. Differences divided by 2, which is 14. Perfect. Now see the next question. In a class of 50 students, I want answer from you people here. In a class of 50 students, the number of sweets that each student got is equal to 30% of the total number of students. How many sweets were distributed? Each student got is 30% of each student, number of sweets per student is nothing but 30% of total number of students. Means 30% of 15, which is 15. Now how many sweets? Total sweets is equal to 50 students, each one is getting 1 by 15. 750 sweets are distributed. Great. 750, 750. 750 sweets were distributed. Perfect, dear. Now see the next one. What should come in place of the x in the following question? Let's see this. What should come in place of x in the following one? See, first thing I'll always focus is on units place. Units place. See, here units place is 8. Units place multiplied by 9 multiplied by that x. The result should be units place 6. 8 into 9 is 72. 2. 2 multiplied by x should end with 6 means x must be equal to 8 units place. Only one option ending with units place 8. Units place you focus, that's sufficient. We need 6 at the ending. 2 multiplied by something should give 6, means 6 multiplied by 8 only. Excellent. Now see 37. Average of marks obtained by 120 students are given. Now check it out what can be done. Yeah. Average of marks obtained by 120 students was 35. If the average of passing candidates was 39, failed was 15, the number of students who passed. See, this can be done using mixtures and alligation concept, right? See, 39 is pass, failed is 15, 35 is the mixing one. So the difference should be put in opposite side 20. This is difference is 5, means 4, sorry. Yeah, difference is 4. This difference is 4. Okay. This is nothing but 5 is to 1. Total 120 students are distributed in 5 is to 1. So 5 is to 1 means 6. 6 related to 120 means we have to multiply by 20. We have to multiply by 20. Question is passed is 100. 6 to 120 is we have to multiply by 20. So pass is 100. 5 is to 1 this is. Pass is 100. Failed is 20. Number of students passed is 100. Failed is 20. Question is number of passed students. Since clearly we can eliminate these options among 80, 90, 100. This is what this can be done in mixtures and alligation compared to average mixing. Pass, fail, overall average of the students, right? So mixing should be always in the middle. Pass, fail, mixing value. Got it. Now see the next question related to arrangements. Let me wait for your answer. Guys, work on this. So what is the answer here? A sitting to the immediate left of B and also on the immediate right of C. D is sitting somewhere right side of B. E is sitting between B and D. Now question, who is sitting to the right of E is nothing but D. Option C, okay, as per option C, person is D. Right, so sitting, not sitting, sitting in here. Now 5 persons, 5 boys. See this question. A, B, C, D and E are running in a marathon in a single file, single line it will be actually, not file. At a particular point, In the race, the following was observed. A is running next to B, but B's position is not adjacent to that of C. D is running adjacent to E. E is running at the front of the file or line. So E is front of the line. D is running adjacent to E. A is running next to B. A is after B, but B is not adjacent to C. C's position is not adjacent to B. Okay. A is running next to B. So B after A, I think this will be who is running beside A is B and C. I think this is what's suitable if we can observe. Right? E is running front of the line. B is adjacent to E. B is not adjacent to C, but A is running next to B. Next to B. Next. A is running next to B after B. Right. And you can observe that okay, C's position is not adjacent to that of B. Everything is satisfied. D is running adjacent to E. But who means it's related to E? That's what. So I believe you understand this question. Option A is correct. Let's work on 40 and some couple of questions as well. Now see 40. Six people are sitting on a bench facing north. P is sitting second to the left of R. Who is the word given? Means it's related to R only. P is second to the left of R. R is third to the left of U. S is second right of Q. Okay, we need totally 6 slots. 6 slots are already available. S is second to the right of Q means only these two are possible. It's actually P, Q or S, T, U. What is P position? P position with respect to P means right side. First right, second right, third right, fourth right. Fourth to the right. And good question this is. Finally, it's arrangement P, Q, R, S, T, U as per the alphabetical order. Now see the next one. You better prepare for verbal as well as they mentioned verbal reasoning. They ask English questions also. That's what we are guessing. Verbal reasoning is there, so chance for English also. Yeah, there is in reasoning also verbal reasoning, non-verbal reasoning. Non-verbal reasoning is related to diagram-oriented questions in mirror image, water image like that. Verbal reasoning means normal coding and decoding. All this will come series and all. But here, okay, what way they consider? Is it verbal ability or verbal reasoning? Is a bit dilemma we're having because college to college the pattern they are changing. So better prepare for verbal as well. S1 is sitting adjacent to S4. Who means this is S4. S4 is second left of S2. What is the position of S3? See, S1 is sitting adjacent to S4. It can be S1, S4, S2, or it can be S4, S1, S2. Then S3 can be here or S3 can be here. Cannot be determined is what I'll suggest. Yeah, facing south also nothing wrong. I'm taking this is south side. See, on paper, right, nothing wrong. This is my south side. That position is my south. This is one possibility. The other possibility S4, S1, S2, S. Simple question, but there is lot to do mistakes. Are understanding? Now see about this 42. Once we look into this question, 6 dresses of different colors are kept on display side by side in a row in a shop. Find the green dress is at the right end of the row, the red dress is on the left end of the violet dress, which is neither beside. So 6 dresses are there. Green is at the right end. Now left end we need to be clear. The blue dress is between white and pink. The red dress is on the left of violet dress, which is neither beside the blue nor the green. The red is on the left of violet, which means related to violet only. Violet is neither beside blue nor green. Okay. And there is one other data. Blue dress is between white and pink. Blue is between white and pink. So violet is neither neighbor to the green, so we cannot put V here. It will be RV. Yeah, one slot is there. So fine. Red will be in the left end. That's what we can check it out. But we need to cross verify again. Red, violet. Here blue. The red dress and blue dress are not beside one another. Yes, but this is white and pink or pink and white that I need to conclude. But that's the only dilemma. I think rest of the conditions all satisfied. Related to pink and white, I have to check once. The red dress and the blue dress are not beside. Yes, they are not beside one another. Which is the left end of the row is nothing but red only. Red dress is on the left of violet. Violet is not beside the blue or green. It's not neighbor of blue, not neighbor of green. Yeah, this is the possibility and all conditions satisfied and you can check it out. So red is the answer here. Yeah, white and pink or white. Right now let's see about next one. 43. Amit is Rahul's son. Sarika, Rahul's sister, has a son Sonu and a daughter Rita. So Amit is Rahul's son. Rahul's sister has a son Sonu and a daughter Rita. Raja is maternal uncle of Sonu. Mother brother. This is Rahul already. Yeah, Sarika, Rahul's sister. Now Raja is maternal uncle of Sonu, means mother brother. Already Rahul is there. Okay, there is one more person, brother to Sarika is Raja. So how many nephews Raja is having as per the data? Nephew means siblings son. Amit and Amit and Sarika are the nephews for Raja. How is Rita related to Raja? Niece. Sister, daughter. Sister, daughter is nothing but called niece. How is Rita related to Raja is nothing but niece. Sister, daughter. Whereas the other question here, what is the relationship of Raja with Rita? Raja is maternal uncle. For Sonu, Raja is maternal uncle. For Rita also maternal uncle only. Uncle, or to be specific, if it is maternal uncle also, but yeah, they given maternal uncle. They should not give both actually. Okay, when they mention maternal uncle, no need to mention. Got it. If you look into this question, all girls are beautiful. Vandana is a girl. So definitely, okay, so all girls are beautiful. Vandana is a girl means Vandana is beautiful is what correct conclusion. And whereas this one, all radios are transistors, some radios transistors are imported. Here, these conclusions both are failed in this one diagram. I no need to go for other diagram also. Here in one diagram itself, it's concluded both are failed. So we can go for neither one nor two as the answer. Right. So let's see about the next question. Sorry. 48, 49, 50. With that we'll stop. So let's see about 48. Some dogs bite, all dogs bark. This is very straightforward question. Some dogs bite, all dogs bark. If you want, you can draw a diagram. Some dogs bite. All dogs will bark. This is one diagram. Now, dogs which will bite also bark. Yes, as all dogs are barking, dogs which will bite also bark. Correct. Dogs which bark do not necessarily bite. Yeah, so dogs which are barking do not necessarily bite. Yes, some are biting, some are not biting. That's you need to just think about this statement. First one for sure correct. Dogs which will bite. Some dogs will bite, all dogs are barking, so which will bite also bark. That's clear. But now dogs which bark, which are barking, do not necessarily bite. Now read about that second statement. Is it only one follows or is it both follows? You have to decide. Dogs which bark do not necessarily bite. Yeah, we can go like this also. Some dogs bite, all dogs bark. Dogs which bark, so means all dogs do not necessarily bite. All dogs are not biting, only some dogs. So that we cannot say some dogs bite means remaining dogs are not biting, that we don't have the information. I know about some dogs, they are biting. Remaining dogs, I don't know whether they are biting or not. So that is a bit clumsy here. Yeah, that still it conveys that okay, both follows, looks like both follows. Now let's see about this 49. Doctors serve their country. Engineers are not doctors. Doctors serve their country. When doctors serve their country. Engineers are not doctors. Doctors serve the country. Engineers are not doctors, but some engineers serve their country, some doctors serve country. Engineers are not doctors, so neither one not two. So as per first one, engineers do not serve country. So here second one fail. Here engineers serve country, first one fail. Both not true in same diagram. One failed there, one failed in other diagram. So I cannot say that. Okay. Don't go for generalized here, only statement. Sir, I know engineers are serving the country, not likewise. This is only with respect to statements. What are the statement given? We have to stick on for that and we have to work. Even that is fail or wrong also, we have to consider the given statement is true. Some cooks are young, all boys are young. All boys are young, some cooks are young. Some boys are cooks, some cooks are boys, both fail here. Cooks and boys, no relationship, both fail in one diagram, then answer is neither one nor two. Right?